Hey guys, you always wanted to know how to create this drop-down menu here on the right side. In this video I'm going to show you how to do it. Pretty responsive. It's detecting if you click inside, if you click outside. You can also press the sign out button in. And then, yeah. So, how are we going to do this? I will explain you it by my code, my project. We are in the navbar section of my React application. Here we are checking if there's a session or not, and if there's no session, then we want to sign in, of course. And if there's a session, we are going to display the name, and then we make it able that the drop-down menu is be showing. So here we are just putting the image. Here we are placing the name of the user, and on the div we are using the onClick method, which is triggering the state set is open, which is setting it true. And then if it's true, we're going to display the drop-down menu. And here we can put everything inside it. I put it like a list. So yeah. How we do this, we give this drop-down menu a drop-down ref. So we have it here. I'm using TypeScript, that's why you use HTML. You list element type, and then we created a custom hook. In this hook, we give it the ref and the initial state of the application, so it's false, that it is closed. And how the hook is working, like I said, here we give the ref, the state, and then we are returning a boolean and also a method from the state. Because we are using useState in this custom hook, so we can just go here and handle it like a normal useState. So this is the variable, and this one is the function. And then we are using useEffect, which is run always when the variable is changed. And here in this useEffect, we create a document event listener on mouse down. And then we are removing it. And the event listener is just looking if the ref current is there, and the ref current contains the event target, so the container, if it's not containing. And if it's not containing, we are changing the variable, and then we are just returning it. And then you can use this variable like a state and toggle it on and off. So like this. And so if you enjoyed the video and liked the quick tutorial about how to create it, let me know in the comments. And if you want to know how I make my editor look like this, then check out my video about NeoVim. Bye.